Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel today. Today's video I want to show you how to make this hidden paperclip bag topper. So I'm going to show you how I made this. It won't be this one identically, but I'm going to show you how to create a bag topper similar to this one, I guess I should say, that just slides right onto your packaging. And I've slid this on so many times. And I'm going to show you how to make a double. So it would look like this. So there's two paper clips inside this one. This one has a single, and so this one's a double, and I want to show you how to make this one too. So I'll give you the measurements. Of course you can adjust them, but I'll give you the measurements for the paper clips, and then the rest would be up to you really. So I'm going to show you how to do the single one first. So what I do is I cut a 1 1/8 by 12-inch strip of paper. So this would be like a 12-inch strip of paper, and then I cut this down, cut a piece off that's approximately 7.5 to 8 inches, and we're going to put our paper clip inside this. So the next thing I do is put my paper clip on. Sorry, my throat's kind of scratchy. So I'll put my paper clip on like this, and the small side we're going to glue down. Okay, so I've got my hot glue here. I'm not sure my cord's going to reach, but hot glue seems to work best because it sets fast. And so we're going to put a little glue here in the middle, and then we're going to put a little glue here on the outside like this. Okay, and you could pre-fold this so you don't burn the snot out of yourself, but then we're just going to fold it up just like this so that the small end of your paper clip is housed inside the paper, just like that. And hot glue does work best. So now see, it's not going to move, it's stuck in there. So then the next thing you do is fold this over the large end like this. Okay, and then you could, if you need to cut this off because you want it a little shorter, you can do that now, or you can just leave it this length, and then you're going to tuck it up inside, just like that. Push it up as far as it'll go, and then fold this down so that it looks like this. And so now your big paper clip is inside this piece here. See, it opens up like that. And so then you're going to put your hot glue in here and your hot glue in here. And it doesn't have to be hot glue. This piece here doesn't have to be hot glue, but the part that's really holding your clip together really needs to be. And so just run some glue inside. I'm having a little trouble with this glue gun for some reason. Okay, just like that. Be careful not to burn yourself, and also be careful if the glue seeps out that you don't glue your two pieces together. Okay? So then do the other side. Oops. Oops. Just like that. Okay, got a little messy. You could always go back and clean up the glue if you get a little bit seeps out. So now your clip looks like this, and that's your hidden paper clip. See how simple that was? And that's how I also made the double here. So I'll show you how to do that one next. So this piece of paper here, I've already got the measurements for you to make it simple, but you will cut your paper at, well, it also depends on, it also depends on your packaging. So I have this packaging here ready, and so what I did was I measured. Yes, you have to know the size of your packaging for this measurement here. So this one I've measured at 4 3/4 because my bag is, this is my bag here. I believe this is my bag. Yeah, this is my bag. And so I've measured my paper to overhang just a little bit. So it is 4 3/4 across here, and then I cut it at 7.5. So you really need 7.5 to 8 this way. Okay, And I also know the scoring measurements for you, because this one I really do think it needs to be scored to make it easier, make the folds a lot cleaner. Okay, so take your paper after you cut it and take your clips off. Just have your clips on there, and then we're going to score it at 1 5/8. So 1 5/8 would be right here. Yep, 1 5/8, and then 3 1/4. Okay, and then 5 1/2. Okay, and so this will make your folds a little neater in the end. Okay, so put this away. So then take your paper clips and kind of space them apart a little bit. So on the short side here, the 1 5/8, put the small side facing in, so the large side goes out and the small side stays in, and then just kind of space them out like so. And then we're going to glue this like we did the small one. Oops, my glue gun doesn't reach very well. So just go around. Well, of course, I'm going to hang on just a sec. I'm going to have to stick a glue stick in here. Okay, this is real life, guys. So run you a bead all the way around and kind of work fast so that your glue doesn't dry, and put some on your clips here and right here in the middle, just like this, and then stick it down. Okay, just like that. Get it all stuck on there real good. And then this should fold over, just like this. Okay, and then just like the other one, we're going to tuck this up in here. It is kind of tricky. Let's see. Just kind of have to work it and work it until you get it up in there. There we go, just like this. Slide it up in there. Just like that. And then you're going to close the ends. And if you can get you some glue to hit down there in the middle, that would be great too. Or get you something long. Let's see. I have this little stick, but if you had some glue you could like put down in there so that you have some glue stuck right there, that might help out a little bit too. I'm not sure if it's going to matter, but this is the first time I've actually made this, so I've not made one and used it yet. I just figured out maybe we need a double, so I thought I would make this. And the hidden paper clip is not my idea. Look how messy I am. It is not my original idea, and I don't know if someone has a tutorial on this. If they do, I've never seen it. So, you know, I don't know. My mother actually showed me a hidden paper clip tutorial a long time ago, and I don't even remember like whose channel it was on YouTube. But it wasn't like this. It was real fancy. So it was like a shabby chic. It was just super fancy. Nothing like this. Nothing for a bag topper. So I don't know. So anyway, so after you get this made, then it's ready to decorate. And here I have some packaging ready. And you could do it either way. You could put the small side on the front or the large side. But if you put the large side on, it might get in the way of your whatever your is in your packaging. So, and this is using the large jumbo paper clips. If you're packaging, like if you need it to be shorter, you might try using just a standard paper clip. I've not done that yet, but see how this should probably be a little shorter. So a standard paper clip in here might work better than these jumbos, just so like when I slide it on, it doesn't smash my embellishments like that. Okay, so then you just put this on and then it's ready to decorate. And I thought I would go ahead and decorate a small one for you guys. So here I have this large one. I want to show you some ways to decorate this large one. I forgot I had this one pre-made. So I'm going to show you how you can decorate it. So here's just the paper, the hidden paper clip we've made. And here's just some crepe paper. And this measurement here will, the crepe paper will cover it up perfectly. So I'm going to show you how to cover this. So let's put a little glue on here. And you know, if you make some of the paper ruffles, like I have a tutorial for, that would be real cute too. Just cut it, you know, a little wider than your strip here. Then you could just ruffle it up. I'm not real good at this, so this I'm not sure about. We'll see how this goes. Okay. I did double that. I'm not so sure that's going to work out either. But this is just some ideas. Okay, and then when you get to the end, you can just cut that off. Just like that. Yep, see, I doubled it up and now it's... Okay. So, doubling it may not work so well. See how my... Well, there, I fixed it. Magic, yay. I fixed it. So, there would be a base to start with. And then you can just go from there, and you could add like a rosette like I did here. I have this little one right here that I'm going to show you how to use with a small one, but so you can stick yourself a rosette on here, and then this is just a piece of tulle that I've cut to fit right on top of there. And then you could, I'll just show you this. I've got a paper ruffle ready to go, so you could just stick this on here like this, and then I have this little flower. So there you have like some packaging that would just slide on top of your goodies here. Let's see if I can get that on for you guys to show you. There we go. Whoops. Just like this. Isn't that super cute? So there's one idea. And then the other idea, so I have this here and I thought I would show you how to decorate it. So I have these things here cut out. And I have a little pink piece. Here we go. So since this one is small and you're going to add, like, say for instance this, you really need something to hold this. It's more sturdy than that. So just take yourself a piece of cardstock, and this was my leftover from when I made this right here. I cut this off the end. So just take this and glue it on. Okay. I think I'm a little bit out of frame, aren't I? So just put you some hot glue on there. I find that hot glue works best for these ruffles. Okay. And then we're going to glue this on next. Okay, so then just stick this on next. Just like this. Sorry, I know I'm getting out of frame, and I don't mean to. I'm worried about my batteries fixing to die on my phone. Okay, and then put your little rosette on. And then here I have this glitter tulle, and I want to put it right in the middle, just like this. And then I have this cute little flower that I made. And here's the die for this. It turns out really, really pretty. And I'll link it below if you're interested in that. So then this goes on next. Okay, just like this. And then you would flip this over and you would attach it right here. Okay? So, put me a little glue on here. And another thing is, if you need to, whoops, you could put it in the center. So if your paper is showing, like your clip, this part of your clip is showing, just hide it behind your rosette. So there you go. And then you could just tack it on your packaging. Isn't that so adorable? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions below, or if you have any questions, just ask below and I'll try to get back to you. So thanks for watching.